What's up, buddies? Adam Pecoraro here, and thank you for clicking on this video. We are doing abs and core workout HH. We are going to need a medicine ball for this workout. If you don't have a medicine ball, you want to find some other safe object that you can use to help with muscle recruitment and add a little bit of intensity by adding external weight. One of the easiest things to grab is a basketball or a soccer ball or even a football. You can get watermelon or cantaloupe, or you can grab a backpack and put some books or just clothing for something a little lighter. Again, all you need is recruitment. Anyway, these are some ideas. Whatever you choose, be safe, okay? Don't grab your dog. Aside from that, 15 minutes, let's get to it. So my friends, I got a couple things here. I'm gonna start with this 10-pound medicine ball for weighted in and outs. The way this works is I'm going to squeeze my medicine ball between the arches and heels of my feet. Hands stay down, and then I'm gonna crunch and release. Now, we take mid-set rep breaks when we need, which means that you put the weight down and then you can pick it back up as long as there's time on the clock. Everything is maximum quality reps. We're gonna go for 1 minute on, and then we're gonna have about a 15 to 20 second interval. I'll explain the next exercise as quickly as I can, and then we'll jump into action. Everything is one set all the way through. If you can't do certain things or you need to adjust, use any other substitute ab core exercise. I mean, even just repeating a plank when there's an exercise that you just can't do right now. In time, you'll get better and better at it, I'm sure of it. Okay, so weighted in and outs, let's start. So my friends, I'm going to adjust my weight. You may not have that luxury, I know, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So this is a 12-pound medicine ball, and we're gonna do diagonal crossbody chops. I take a knee, and I'm gonna start high on my shoulder, and I'm gonna drop down to my hip. Back to my shoulder, back to my hip. I always chop where there's negative space. This is a twofer, so on the next set, we'll do it the other way and switch our legs. Time. Other leg, other direction, shoulder to hip. Exercise number next. Medicine ball medicine ball pull over with a sit-up. Legs straight will help you. Legs bent a little harder. Medicine ball overhead. We pull it over. Once it gets to our sternum, we drive and keep the medicine ball driving on an upward diagonal angle. Exercise number next is a plank with a medicine ball pull through or roll through. From our plank, which can always be done from the knees if needed, we put our hands in front of the medicine ball, so the medicine ball is more or less in alignment with our triceps on the outside. I reach under, move it, hand down. Now friends, we get a 2 exercise break from your medicine ball. And for this next one, we are going to do single leg in and outs combined with a rapid open. So hands are going to try to stay off the ground. Hands down will help you with your balance. It's a little more challenging. We're going to tuck one leg, the other leg, bring them both in for a hug, and then open. Now friends, your next exercise is a high plank, low plank, so walking plank high to low. And then we're gonna walk across. Now, how far across? At least 1 step, and then back to high plank, low. I'm gonna try to do this yellow box, so I'm thinking maybe 3 steps. So the way it goes is, once I hit the low part, that's when I walk. And it's the same hand and foot. And you're trying your best to stay balanced. And then you rise. I'm dropping back down to the 10 for this one. Now, it's kind of like an exercise known as a crunch pass. This is going to be a double crunch pass. So we're going to extend, come up, and then try to extend back. Now, if that's too hard, do the crunch pass, or hold and simply come up and touch your knees, your shins, your feet, whatever you can get to. Next is clapping feet. Set yourself up so that the insides of your feet are right next to the medicine ball. Hands can go behind you. We go high, low, high, low. Superwoman, Superman, medicine ball pass. Arms up, legs up, eyes down, face off the ground. So remember, buddies, it's not just abs, it's core too. And when your legs are burning with all those leg dynamics, don't worry, they're supposed to. They're getting strong in tone as well. My friends, thank you so much for doing that workout with me. Do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, so I can give you the content that you want. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. It helps me out so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for working out with me. I'll see you next time.